Well, I am very happy to be here at this show. I'm very pleasantly surprised, actually, that such a show was being held in Goa because it's a great place to have all this equipment and different products shown in Goa. We normally go to these shows in other parts of the world. I normally go to New York, the hotel show, or the Chicago hotel show, but I'm happy that it's happening right here in Goa. And I think here's where all the hospitality industry of India is. So this is the right place they're doing it. And I congratulate Kedar for this. And I wish him all the best. And I hope he continues to do a better job next time. Thank you.
How helpful for the hoteliers?
Sorry?
How helpful for the hoteliers?
How what?
Helpful.
Well, I brought my whole team here today, the vice president and the chief engineer, because we hope to buy things for the hotel from this show. And it's a great thing that we can see it right here instead of having to travel elsewhere. I wish him the best.
Okay. Goa being a tourist destination and one of the best destinations in India, you can see. And this type of shows is really required because the hoteliers, the cafeterias, the restaurateurs look forward for this type of a big exhibition where they can choose the best items in the industry. So hats off to Kedar and Clive, these two gems of Goa who have been organizing year after year, and you find all value additions every year that there are more stalls, more people coming in. And I wish them all the best and may God bless them with similar type of bigger shows in the years to come. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Pradeep Gopalan. I'm the organizer of the show jointly with our partners, Media Promotions Private Limited, Goa. I represent Hospitality First, and this show is the 9th edition of the Goa Hospitality Show. We are pretty excited with the kind of response the show has received, and this is apparently the only show that's going to happen this year in Goa. What you get to see here is a wide display of anything and everything that a hotelier, a resort owner, a restaurant, a bakery cafe, a fine high street cafes, anything to do with the food service and hospitality industry, you'll find it here. We have managed to bring together close to 100 companies from across India representing the finest of national and international brands to the shores of Goa. And with the Mopa airport opening up, there's going to be a whole lot of escalation in terms of the kind of standards of service that will go up with more international traffic. And this shows basically a representation to facilitate raising the standards and bar for the discerning traveler visiting Goa. So this is a 3-day show, and the timings of the show are 10:30 to 7 a.m. every day. The venue is Talegaon Community Hall. Yeah.
It's the Goa Hospitality Show, and I think given how important food and drink is to every Indian, I think it's a must for everybody who is in hospitality to attend a show like this because it has the most incredible lineup of stalls, products, and it's, I can't wait to actually go see all of it. I've just begun the tour of this particular exhibition. And the Goa Hospitality Show, I think, is one of the best that we have in Goa. Kedar, of course, outdoes everything every year, and we have a bigger and better lineup, and I'm very excited to see what's ahead.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.